Hello guys and welcome back. So, we learned previously in Access how to link two tables together. Now, how can we do this using only SQL? Well, let's have a look. So to do it, firstly, we need to say which fields we want to see from the record. So I want to select, and I want to select the first name from players, so first name. I want to select the last name, pardon me, last name, and I want to type in their values, so I know how much they're worth. Okay, now that's stored in this table for first name and last name, and for values, the value is in here. Okay, so it's all there. Now, how do we make it so it will search both of them? Well, in from, or for a start, we want to search from the values table. So put in square brackets and type the word values. In some other versions of SQL, you don't need the square brackets, but in Access we do. Okay, and now we say we want to have what's called an inner join. Okay, an inner join, and we want to inner join values to the players table. So type there players, we want to join. So we have now said, okay, we want to display this information from that and link values and players together. Okay, nice and easy so far. And now we have to say what we're going to link them by, which field should be identical in both of them. So we're going to say on, capital O-N, and then we're going to say values dot and then square brackets again, and we type in last space name. We don't capitalize there, otherwise it causes chaos. And then we say equals players dot last name. Now guys, quick point here is that these two are not spelled the same, but they refer to the same thing, so the table will try and link up the last names together. Okay, so let's see how this works. So back to query tools, and then we click on run, and hopefully, oh look, there we are. We have the first names and last names from the players table. Okay, but nowhere in this table can you see their values. The value to pay for them is in this table here, and these values, by the way guys, I have made up pretty much entirely off the top of my head, so please don't place too much importance on the value of these players. Okay, but if I now come back to my query, you will see that we have got their values and their names sitting right there, and we have just joined our first SQL database. We said what fields we want to see. We've said where we want to get the data from, so from values joined to players, and we said we'll link them by the last name categories, which is this section here. Okay, so that's all for today, but thank you for watching guys, and adios.